Adding pre or post event time. So this tutorial is going to be about once you've scheduled out the time block your event will actually be taking place in, if you wanted to add any setup time or any time that you may need to tear down anything that will be in the space for your event, this is where you'll be able to add those sections of time in the wizard. So the first thing you're going to want to do will be to set the start and end time for your event. So you see here we have our event currently scheduled for Thursday, July 2nd, and it's going to go from 1 to 2 p.m. So once that time is in there, you'll see this section down here where it's talking about setup or pre-event time and then post-event or takedown time. Now notice when you click the yes bubble on either one, it'll show two separate fields for setup and for pre-event, and then down here for post-event and takedown. Just note, 25 Live does make a distinction between these. We don't make a distinction, so if you needed to select either one, if you mean setup time and you accidentally put it in as pre-event, we will read it the same way on our end. So for all intents and purposes, these will be the same. So let's say you're going to need an hour of setup time, right? You maybe have some tables you're bringing in, something like that. So you're going to say 1 hour of setup time, then you'll notice it will start adding to the duration of the reservation over here. And then we're going to need an hour of takedown time as well, right? Get everything out of that space. So we just add that in that field here, and it adds it to the reservation once again. Once you have your setup or post-event time in this section of the wizard, you'll be free to click next and move on to the next stage.